Hey guys, I'm Lonnie. This is our life edits. Good morning. Good afternoon. So today I don't have anything necessarily planned because we're still in lockdown, but I did order like a click and collect that I have to pick up. Stop. So I have to pop over to Target to pick that up and do a little grocery shop. Today's at least nice and sunny outside, so that's good. Let's see how today pans out. Look who's in the vlog. You can tell you've like dropped heaps of weight off your face. And that's not even from working out, that's from being stuck at home with me. I'm just kidding.
Stress.
He's been working out every day for the past, what, 8 weeks?
7.
I thought they'd have everything at the door like they do at Kmart, but it didn't. I'm like ready to catch this.
There we go.
Homesies. Okay, so we're back and Liddy is just a complete mess. When we hopped in the car, she noticed we were going home and she was like, no home, because she wants to go see her grandparents who live 4 hours away, but we are currently in a lockdown. We can't even explain to her that like we're not allowed to go. We're just the tiniest bit late, but it is now time to put Liddy down. And this is how well it's going, putting Liddy down. She's not here. I bought more of these baskets to fill the rest of this cube shell because as you can tell, it literally is like a dumping ground. So I want to fix that up. Okay, this ended up being the final product. So, yeah. It's so much better than before. Okay, so now I'm going to close out the vlog here. I have so much organizing to do in this house still. Like, we just have so much crap that we've accumulated over the years that we really need to get rid of. Yeah, it's taken me a long time to do it too. But I'm really happy with how that little hallway turned out, and I'm so excited for like the house to just not be so cluttered. But Sam has so many things in his work shed, which is why everything's been like overflowing inside the house. Like I can just picture this house looking really good if it just wasn't like caked with so much crap. So anyway, I'm closing down the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll see us when you see us. Bye.